Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back to our online class Science 8th Standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 16th chapter, that is the coal and petroleum. In the previous video already I have discussed about that what is the petroleum and how that refining or how the distillation of petroleum in the different forms, different fractions according to their boiling points. The petroleums are different fractions are there, like kerosene, diesel, white petrols, naphthalene. Yes, so according to their fraction distillation process already we have found that these all are the things. Okay students, but today we are going to discuss one the new another one fossil fuels, that is called as natural gases. Students, you know that very well nowadays, our Delhi and Mumbai and there some other part of that our India, they are using that natural gases, and you have to get that idea what is that natural gases. It is also fossil fuels, by that it is one contaminant to the related to that our petroleum also, and which one generally contain the methane gas. Okay, and that we are using special as usual as in industrial cases, also as well we are using that in domestic cases. Domestic cases means in house cases, for that cooking our in the kitchen we are using, and some industrial cases. And nowadays also students, you know that very well, this natural gas also using for that automobiles like vehicles. Okay, so let us discuss about that what is that natural gases and how what is that things about this. Natural gas is a fossil fuel. Okay, already I have told that fossil fuels are generally coal, petroleum and natural gases, and this natural gases also is known as fossil fuels, and it contains mainly methane and is used as a domestic and industrial fuel. Methane means what is that students? CH4. CH4 means what is that? CH4 means hydrocarbons. Yes or no? That means if that things contain special hydrogen and carbon, that is called as hydrocarbons. Already I have discussed about that. So CH4 means that is the methane formula, and it is mainly present in the natural gases. And whatever that we are getting that LPG gas, LPG cylinder, what is that actually? That is the liquefied petroleum gas. It is mainly present, what do you know? Butane. Okay, butane, methane, ethane, propane, butane, methane, ethane, propane, butane. That means C4H10. So that is called as butane. And when that this is called as what? Methane. In that means natural gas mainly contain what is that? Methane. Okay, and it is by that also now domestic pipelines which they are supplying to that every houses in that Mumbai and Delhi, near some part of the Delhi. Okay, so these are they are using for that domestic purposes, as usual also industry cases. But nowadays also some vehicles also run by that also natural gases. Okay, so now compressed natural gases, CNG also is available in the for the motor purposes. When that compressed natural gases, CNG full form what is that friends? Compressed natural gas, like liquefied petroleum gas, same like it is also called as a compressed natural gas. Natural gas does not create that environmental pollution, so it is a very great plus point for that advantage for that natural gas, and it is one fossil fuel, but it is other than petrol and coal, it is more advantages. Why? Because it does not create that environment pollution. It does not create that any harmful, poisonous or harmful to that our environment. Okay, it is very plus point for that. It is also used for the manufacture of the number of chemicals and fertilizers. By that using or by using that chemical natural gases, we are making that industrial for that what manufacturing of that what fertilizers and some different chemicals also we are manufacturing by the using of that natural gases. But now we are going to discuss about the friends in all over the world. What are the cases, which purposes, how much percentage we are using this fossil fuel? Okay, this is, I have written that this is utilized by India. Utilization of fossil fuel by India. Okay, this is utilization of energy from the fossil fuel by the world. This is world purposes, and this is pie chart I have drawn for that what for India. First of all, we will discuss about that world. So see students, in that out of total whatever the fossil fuels like coal and petroleum or natural gas, there are 25% they are using for in world total persons में 25% using or depending upon that what fossil fuels, and the next 40% also using in that industry cases, and 5% for farming purposes, and 30% is domestic and other purposes. Did you understand? That means see whole part if you see that friends, if we, this is 25 plus 5 30 and 60 plus 40 total 100%, if you see that there are more 40% using in that industry cases, okay, and 30% also using that what domestic purposes, okay. So these are all the fossil fuel means what is that? Maybe petrol, maybe what is that, coal, or maybe natural gases. That fossil fuels, they are almost all that world depending upon the fossil fuels. But in India, how that it is varies, you just should see. In all over that world, you will see that 40%, but in India, total 49% using in industry, that is the natural gas, fossil fuels. Okay, and farm purposes same, farming 5%, and automobiles or vehicles for 22%, and other for 14%, and homes for that 10%. Means for the domestic and that for house purposes we are using 10% of that water about that fossil fuels. So these are whole about that pie chart, and how that all over the world people how the utilization of that fossil fuels, and in India the people, because then nowadays what happens friends, they are increasing that population. So according to that increasing of the population, so they are demanding about that vehicles, demanding their houses, they are demanding that clothes. For that it needs more fossil fuels. So that purpose is what happen, this increasing that their day by day their utilization is going to increase. Okay students, but you know very well unnecessary should not be wasted that fossil fuels, because it is what is non-renewable source of energy. We cannot replenish it, we cannot make it again as soon as possible, because it needs to make more days, long period after we are getting this petrol. So means millions of years needs to make that petroleum or that fossil fuel or the natural gas. Okay students, thank you all of you students, have a nice day.